Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid packed with beneficial compounds. It's known for supporting gut health, providing essential minerals, and offering a rich source of collagen. We'll cover the simple steps to create a delicious and healing broth right in your own kitchen. This guide will help you maximize nutrient extraction, following a proven method for optimal results. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of high-quality bones, such as beef marrow bones or chicken carcasses. Adding 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones. Don't forget aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions for flavor. Place everything into a large pot or slow cooker, ensuring the bones are well covered with water. The key to a potent bone broth is a long, slow simmer. For beef bones, aim for 12 to 24 hours. Chicken bones typically need 6 to 12 hours. Maintain a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Regularly skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This extended cooking time allows the collagen and minerals to fully release into the liquid, creating a truly nourishing broth. Once your broth is ready, strain out the solids and let it cool completely. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions in containers or ice cube trays for up to 6 months. Enjoy your homemade bone broth as a warm drink, or use it as a base for soups and stews. Remember to check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.